In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the version of a specific project on GitHub. Whether you're a developer trying to keep track of updates or simply curious about the latest features in a library or application, knowing how to find the version on GitHub is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and explore some easy methods you can use to discover this information. First, let's start by checking the releases section. This is often the most straightforward way to find out the version of a project. On the GitHub repository's main page, take a look at the right-hand sidebar. If the project is using versioning, you will find a releases section here. This section highlights the latest version number, such as v2 4.1. By clicking on this, you can not only see the most recent version, but also access detailed release notes. These notes can provide valuable insights into what changes have been made, including new features, bug fixes, and other updates. It's a great way to stay informed about the evolution of the project and decide if it's the right time for you to upgrade to the latest version. Next, let's explore another method by checking tags. This is particularly useful if you want to see all historical version tags and not just the latest one. To do this, click on the branch selector button, which is typically labeled as main or master. Once you click on this, you'll see an option to switch to the Tags tab. By selecting this, you'll be able to view a list of all the version tags that have been created over time. This can be incredibly helpful if you're looking for a specific version or if you're comparing different versions to understand how the project has developed over time. Remember, each tag corresponds to a specific state of the codebase, so it's a handy way to track the project's history. Finally, another useful approach is to check the manifest files within the repository. Depending on the programming language or framework the project is using, these files might be named differently. For instance, if it's a Node.js project, you'll want to look for a file named package.json. For Java projects, you'll typically find a file named pom.xml. Sometimes, you might come across a version.txt file. These files usually contain a version string defined in the code. By opening these files, you can find the version number that the developers have specified. This method is particularly useful when the project doesn't use GitHub's releases or tags features extensively. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to find the version of a project on GitHub. By checking the releases section, exploring the tags, and examining the manifest files, you can easily keep track of the versions of the projects you're interested in. This knowledge not only helps you stay updated, but also assists you in maintaining compatibility with other dependencies in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding!